Ready? Try and crouch down. Wait, there's a button to your right. Oh, watch out. There's a button to open it right there.
Here?
On your leg, near your knee, your leg, the other leg. There's a light. So I'll close it and then see if you can open it to get out, okay? Wait. Okay.
Press it.
Can you get out? Oh no, he's trapped. Okay. He's trapped in there. He can't make it. The button doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Really? Did you push it?
Yeah, it didn't work.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let me get in there. Try it.
You sure? Are you sure? Okay, let's see what they. Hold on.
It did not work. Wait, where's the button?
Right there.
Why doesn't we just try?
How do you push it without? It should work. Oh yeah, you push the light thing. I think he just didn't push it. Okay, let me carry you in.
I pushed the button. I can't get it.
No, you'll scratch the paint. I need to cover it first.
Okay.
Okay, can you even fit?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Your head's gonna get hit.
Are you sure your
Get near the
knees?
button. Make sure you get near
Wait,
the
wait,
button.
wait, wait. I need.
Oh, there you go.
Proper folding techniques. Ready? Watch out. Let's see. Can I close it?
Hit the button.
Does it work?
Oh,
It works. Raiden just didn't push it. Okay.
I think the spook factor kicked in.
It worked. But I guess you have to be pretty small to be able to even reach it. So I don't know how you would reach it.
Someone that's.
That means they should put like one button here and one button here. Because how would you reach the middle if you're like...
And one back here if you can't reach it. Yeah.
So the light stays on even if you get trapped in there.
Why would you get trapped in there?
no one could just
If somebody throws you in and then... But if somebody throws you in there, they'll probably smash the button first. Like they'll get a thing and...